Hit. You all right? I saw you grab your face. Let me see.
Alright, we're here at game day. I know I was asking you guys what guns to use, and everyone had mixed opinions, so I'm gonna use them all. Today, I'm gonna be using full mesh. Mesh goggles, mesh lower. I know some people don't like the mesh, but it works for me, so I'm gonna test it out. Here we go. I'm gonna be using Elite Force 3.2s in all my guns. By hand. Now that I'm all kitted up, let's do this. First, I'm going to start with the scar that I rebuilt from the Shorty video.
Okay guys, we're doing this. Push. Don't be afraid.
Bruh.
Yo.
That's not a good sound.
Oh, my motor's loose. Walking out. Let's do this. Here we go. Where's your 6? Careful, there's 5 ways in here. Got one. One down. Got one. Push, 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 Bill, push. Yeah, you gotta watch that corner. I'm gonna try and push to the green building. All right, they're right through the screen, Bill. Mike, what do you think about me crossing the...
Right now. Watch out behind that blue tarp.
Yeah.
Walk in.
All right, medical building's clear. Medical building's clear. Push, push, push. Sorry. Behind the blue tarp on the right. Move, move. Who's on my 6? Who do we got? I don't see him. Pat got me. I'm gonna call hit. Pat got me. Almost. Almost had it. Andrew, you cover me. I know where the last guy is. I'm gonna move up on him.
I keep getting guys behind the tower.
Kaz, coming to you. How are we gonna do this? There's one guy right next to the barrel. Cass, cover the guy on the right. If everyone picks a guy, pins him down, I'll go for it. All right, there's a guy far right, far right. Got him on the left. I can't see the guy on the right. Game.
EMG Stoner time.
Okay, I got the blaze orange tip on my gun so they can see me coming a mile away. I'm gonna casually walk up to the barrel and I'm gonna ask them nicely if I can knock it over. Casually walking, casually walking. I got your 6. I got the guy in there.
Coming out.
Hi, Bobby. Hit.
Fatality.
Good shot. What do you got? Okay. Oh, I see. All right, I see it. Coming in. Blue. All right. It was somebody. Yeah, there's somebody. It was somebody straight through there. Cover me. This way. You ready to take it, Mike?
I got a dead wall, so it all goes back.
All right. I'm gonna open it. You look. Clear down the hall. Now that wall in there is gone now.
Okay. Got one?
Yeah. There's someone to the right. I'm gonna try to get an angle on him. Andrew, cover this door, don't let him come behind us. Hit.
Fatality.
Good job, Pat. Blue. All right, there's a guy on the other side of this wall, Cass, right on the other side of this wall. That's where I got hit. Yeah. Right where Andrew's pointing. Woo! All right. Look, right here. Right there, 15 feet. Woo! All right, there's someone shooting through a keyhole right here. Watch out. Pull back. All right, well, they know where I am.
Oh, I'm down. Nice.
Fatality.
Woo! That was closey. Yeah. There's one behind this green board to my 12.
This
I don't-
is where they give us.
I don't have a bead on him.
I know. But if you don't watch there and we go in here, we can hit them there.
Bang.
Fatality.
Yeah, I think you got me in the play carrier. I'm just gonna call that. Good shooting. Dead guy! That was fun. See, all you gotta do is just push through it. Ready to do it, Matt? Huh? Ready to do it? All you gotta do is overcome that one fear of going around the corner. What do you got? He's doing great this round.
I'm afraid of this.
I'll cover this way.
Fatality.
All right, push. Don't be afraid to cut the corner. This way. Blue. We got friendlies. Hit!
Fatality.
Andrew, what do you see? Right over the wall. Kaz.
Were they in that room?
Yeah. Right over the wall. Yeah, I know. Hallway looks clear. There's still someone in there. Yeah, I know. Whoa, where'd that come from?
90 murder hole right there.
Bang.
Fatality.
Hit!
Oh, sorry.
Woo! You good? Is there someone in there? Hit!
Fatality.
Walking through, don't shoot.
That guy.
Good, good, good. Right here. 3, 2. Andrew, 12? No, there's 2 of them.
Fatality.
Way too far.
By yourself, yeah. I wouldn't want to clip the ear. Hit.
Fatality.
Blue, blue. Whew. No. He's around the corner. I can't even see him. Got him. Hit.
Fatality.
You good? You alright? I saw you grab your face. Let me see.
That's my
Ooh. You good?
Yeah, I'm cool.
You want me to get you a first aid kit or something?
Is it bleeding?
A little, yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Let's go, come on, let's walk. This is the wound of the day. He got a free nose piercing. Courtesy of me. By accident, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
It's time to use the Demolition Ranch.
Okay, time to find a big red rocket. Do you guys like my selfie stick? Fan out, look for that red rocket. Keep your eyes up. Also, don't get shot. That's more important, don't get shot.
I didn't know if like I should be looking at
No, you'll know when you see it. It's big, like this tall, the piece, and it's red.
This big and there's one this big.
We're about to get flanked and nobody's paying attention. I just have a feeling. Hit!
Fatality.
Hey, Matt, we're being flanked. At our 6. B, we're being flanked. No, right around on the other side. Good shooting up on the road. I was like, we're about to get flanked. Let me go check. Nobody came with me.
No, no one came with me either. I don't know why no one came with me.
We had the same
I don't know why I
idea.
told you that, but-
I'm still gonna keep an eye out because I don't know if you're lying. All right, we got him. He told me he was alone. I don't know why he would say that. The guy I killed, he was like, oh, nobody came with me. I don't trust it. He came from up there around that corner. Cass, I'm gonna take the long way. Jeez! Hit!
Fatality.
I still don't even see him. I'm back from the dead. I got the first one, but the second one had a great spot. See? All right, Mike, you got one. I didn't see where it came from. Yeah, straight ahead. All right. He ran back. Sorry, Matt. Yeah. He's hit. Hit.
Fatality.
Try to stick to cover because they have cover. We don't. You want to just go try and steal their piece? Watch out. He ran. Yeah, I don't think you got him, but he took off. Blue, blue, blue! Road? Where? I'm gonna hold him off. Oh, you're lucky I hit that tree. Hit!
Fatality.
Good shot, Andrew. Blue. Anybody in here? Oh, you scared me. All right, are you looking for the thing?
Yeah. There's a thing walking around here somewhere.
Who? Oh, do you hear him?
No,
Where was he last?
I didn't.
All right, keep an eye out. Okay, I didn't want to have to keep railing on you. You all right? Yeah. We've been looking for you the whole time. Don't let him come up behind us. Hold this perimeter. You got it? All right, let's guide him in. Back to our side. Guide it in, guys, guide it in. That's what she said. Hey, that's what she said. Pull back, blue. We gotta find our piece. Keep an eye out, it's around here somewhere. I can't help much more than that. All right, guard that piece. We gotta put some security up on it. Now they're looking for the rocket. They can't find it though. Oh, it's right there. I don't believe it. She found it. All right, escort.
Come on, let's go.
So you gotta put it on top of that
I
one.
have to put it on top?
Yeah, just put that one into that one.
Does it have to go all the way down?
Yep. I'll count that. We're good, you're good. All right, somebody grab that rocket and let's bring it in. Game! Game! This is MVP of the whole game today. Killed everyone here and never gave up, never quit, even when everyone else was winded. So Pat wins MVP today. We're about to test out the APS shell ejecting Mark III shotgun. This is going to be badass. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, whoa, that was far. All right, now. Whew, whoa, that's heavy.
Yeah.
That's CO2?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I put it on 4.
Woo! That's an awesome gun.
The lies hurt more than the
Where'd you get it?
WGC.
Oh,
I had it imported.
yeah. That's a nice gun.
Yes,
That was a serious pistol. That was a successful day down. Time to go. Thanks for watching, guys.